Donuts in the building, yeah. Yeah, there you go fire. I'ma turn you into that. You'll go fire. And you can't say I'm a liar, but this is motherfucking fire. I'm not satire. I slash your motherfucking tie with that Y. Nigga, I'm a high flyer. You think I'm the Joker? Nigga, we all playing poker. Nigga, I'm the local. Ain't in the motherfucking stoker. Niggas think I'm loco. Hopping with my pogo. A triple team is a low blow. Got the best fucking flow though. Niggas be acting like dodos. Even size as Mentos. Nigga, I'm staying on 10 toes. Nigga be watching Flintstones. I just made a profit. Put you in that cockpit. Punch you right in your socket. Man, you better stop it before I motherfucking lock it. Then I start to pop it. Yeah, I'm stacking, boy, you capping. That's your nigga lacking. Lil' bro, you hacking. Like Ray Lewis, nigga, I'm sacking. And I'm smacking. Like, let me show you some affection. And let me give you some correction. There's always a motherfucking lesson. And some reflection. Just let me find that little section. Nigga, over here disrespecting. While I'm over here respecting. Just let me have my break session. Better pay attention before I get my Glock extension. You better stop snitching. There you go fire. There you go fire. There you go fire. There you go fire. You know what I'm saying? Like, you go fire, nigga. This shit fire. About to get out of here, I'm not, you know what I'm saying? Fuck all y'all.